Hey guys, so today we have the Fruit by the Foot Starburst flavor. Remember I told you before, everything is Starburst. So this one is either cherry, strawberry, orange, or lemon. And there's 6 in this package. So let's open this up and see what we got. It's a surprise. So this one, it doesn't tell you what flavor it is until you open it up. So it is, also it's 80 calories. Ooh, this one looks orange. So I'm assuming it's probably orange flavor. Smells just like Starburst, and it's Fruit by the Foot, so it's fun. I would give it a 10 out of 10.